Hey everybody, happy Monday. Welcome to week 4 of eSchool and to your first literacy block of the week. Here's your intro video with some tips and tricks, some feedback on last week, and some information to get you started on a great week 4. So today we are going to be working on module 11, and it is April 27th. Crazy, we are so close to May. So our agenda for today, you're watching this video, you're going to work on 4.27 module 11. Part of that is going to be to complete the COVID-19 pandemic discussion document. So same thing that we've done before, where you'll have your module open, and then at some point it's going to direct you to open up the other discussion document, and which will be a shared document with all of your homeroom. And then last thing, today's a great day to get started on IR for week 4. Okay, so some weekly updates. Shout out to Homeroom 1. Last week I graded Module 8 as our classwork, our participation grade, and Homeroom 1 had 100% completion, and this was by Thursday, people. So there was nobody that was finishing that module on Friday. They were all like got that stuff done earlier in the week. That was amazing. And I wanted to take a second also to just give kind of a grading update. So because we now have a literacy class, integrated literacy, meaning that we don't have reading and we don't have writing separate, we have them together. Because of that, grading in integrated literacy is a little bit different. The reality is that integrated literacy means that we're grading your writing for both content. So do you understand the reading? Do you understand the text that we're looking at? And is that clear in your written responses? And we're grading for quality. So is the quality of your writing the best quality that you're capable of? Are you taking time to revise your writing for grammar, spelling, punctuation? I have an advantage here because I know the writing quality that you are all capable of, and I know that some of the mistakes that I'm seeing are not really like 8th grade acceptable mistakes. So this week, really going to be emphasizing that you need to be revising your writing. You need to be fixing the errors that like Google Docs is like squiggly line underlining. You need to be capitalizing names, capitalizing the first word in every sentence. So if you want to succeed, if you want to get the like best grade possible in literacy, you need to make sure you're doing that. So a couple clues that will tell you that you need to revise your writing, because the reality is sometimes you're watching a video, you're taking notes, it's more of a brainstorm. I'm not going to be grading that for grammar. But when some clues that will tell you, hey, this is the time that I really need to put forth my very best writing. This is the time I need to really revise, is anytime you see words like scholarly sentences, extended response. Basically, anytime you're writing a paragraph, anytime you're writing more than just like one sentence, and revision, right? If it tells you to revise, you need to like revise everything. You need to fix all your spelling mistakes. You need to read it out loud to yourself and catch errors. So this is going to be a huge focus of this week. Okay, so our topic for this week is, maybe this is surprising, I don't know, maybe you're like ready to not ever hear about this again, but here we are, this is what we're doing. We're going to be reading about, watching videos about, writing about COVID-19, and our focus is going to be on frontline workers. So the people who are out there working in hospitals, in the food industry, construction, just like all of the people that are still out there working in the front lines, keeping us safe, keeping our society functioning. At the end of this week, you will write a thank you letter to a specific frontline worker, and we'll talk a lot more about what that will look like, but I can give you a heads up that that thank you letter is going to be something you write and revise to submit as a high quality piece of writing. Okay, and our last thing for today is just an independent reading update. IR was way better this week. I loved my NT check-ins on Friday, but I hope that I have fewer of them this week as we get the hang of IR. I will check again on Wednesday and sign you up for NT if you haven't started recording your IR by then. I'm looking that you have 2 summaries written by Wednesday. This week, my update for IR is that I am finishing today. I have just like 10 more pages. This amazing book called The Dutch House, and I'm reading this because I have a book club meeting on Sunday. Guess who's in my book club? Miss Solsky and other friends. We're reading this. It's amazing. I'm super excited to finish it today. Love seeing your IR updates. Love hearing about the books you're reading. All right. That is all I have for today. Good luck. I hope you have an amazing start to the week, and I'm here to help you with that. Bye.